Hello everyone, it's Marina. I'm here to do a project share with you. This is a journal that I made using some of the paperback fabric that I had also created a little while ago, and I will have the link for the paperback fabric listed below. It's also called Bookcloth if you know it by Bookcloth, but this is how you can make your own at home, and I was asked to show some examples of ways that you can use your Bookcloth. So here are my examples, and I'm super excited because I love how these turned out. They feel good, and like when you're holding them, and it's so pretty. I don't know, I just like how it feels. But I used heavyweight Davies board. It's really thick book board. I used a bookbinding fabric, or bookbinding cloth, not cloth, oh my goodness, thread. And really good PVA glue. I used some jade PVA glue, and if you are curious as to where I got my products, I will have them listed below. I got them at Hollander's book making supplies, and it's online, so you can order it and they'll ship it to you. But I just wanted to share that with you guys because I've received questions on that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and do a flip through for you. This is some vintage lace that I received from my purchase from Sherry. And so another way I use the bookcloth, oh my goodness, homemade bookcloth, is that I put it in here on the spine, and it's on the cover, but I also I'll use it as an extra piece. Like, this is a good way to make a hidden hinge spine if you want to do that. Not a hidden hinge, sorry, a hidden spine. My goodness, I cannot talk tonight. I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick flip through for you guys. And I have some extra cutoffs from the bookcloth. And I like it because I figured the recipient can write on the back of it or use it as a pocket or whatever they wanted to use it for. They could even use it for a photo mat. That'd be cool. So I have that in there. Here is another pocket. Just have some extra ephemera in there. More ephemera. There's lots of ephemera I put in here. Clipped on some ephemera up here, or stapled on. Some coffee dyed pages. Have some more ephemera, just paper clipped up here. Another one, just paper clipped on here. And I stapled this ticket on here. And there are 4 signatures in this one. And these are Tsunami Rose's little file folder printables. I love using those. They're so pretty in journals. And that is the back. And that is this journal. So I will have the tutorials below, listed below for the cover, well, how to make the book cloth and book back or paperback fabric. And then there's also, if you're interested, there's a hidden hinge, not hidden hinge. I don't know why I keep saying that. Sorry. Hidden spine method. I'll have that linked below, as well as where I get my products, some of my bookmaking products, if you are interested in those. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.